Commission Hero Review. Are you looking to make extra money and heard about making a passive income online? Making money online can be hard, and you need a course that helps you find success. You want to work from home, but you don't know where to start or what to do. You've put in the time and hard work. You've got your website, you've been working on your content, and you have your email list of subscribers. But you're not seeing any results. Well then, you need Commission Hero by Robby Blanchard. This course will teach you everything you need to know about making money online through affiliate marketing. Commission Hero is an online course by Robby Blanchard, and he teaches you how to make money online via affiliate marketing. It has many sales pages, which claim that you can learn to earn up to $1,000 per day by working online, and it has many positive reviews on Trustpilot. We have all shared the dream of living a comfortable life. We all want to take that impromptu trip to France or purchase that expensive luxury watch without having to scrape the bottom of the barrel. With Commission Hero's guaranteed income-boosting steps, this is now a very real possibility. Turn the internet into a literal cash machine. Even if you're a total amateur, just an entrepreneurial spirit and Commission Hero support can be the next big thing for you. Not only do they apply their 3-step system but give you a comprehensive course from scratch on how to go about it. You don't need a business, product or a conclusive email list either. You don't even need to know anything at all about selling online. With Commission Hero, sizable profits are coming your way. His 3-step system is an exhaustive guide to succeeding in affiliate marketing. All you have to do is find the right kind of offer that is sure to make good money and at least 50% commission. Commission Hero is legit, and that can be confirmed of various users of this software. Commission Hero is a very system by a true genius, and it works wonders in the lives of many. Commission Hero is not rocket science, it is pretty easy to learn, and with some investment of time, you can start to earn by affiliate marketing. It can be very easily done in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick an offer to promote. First, you need to find an offer that you are willing to promote. Becoming a successful marketer is all about what new and cost-effective product you have to offer. Step 2. Build your landing page. This section in the Commission Hero course is conveyed by the means of ClickFunnels, but you are at your liberty to use any landing page builder of your choice. Step 3. Build your Facebook ads. Have you ever thought that you create your Facebook ads in just a couple of hours? Commission Hero makes it possible for you. This 3-step process is not very time-consuming. It hardly takes 3 to 4 hours on your first attempt, and once you acquire the knack of it, it will take you about 30 minutes. So how much cash do you have to shell out to make more money online, in the comfort of your own home? Well, here is where it gets a little tricky. You have 2 options. A one-time payment of $997 or a 2-time installment-based payment of $597. It may sound expensive, but what is it worth to you to bring in up to $1,000 per week? Commission Hero is a great course for beginners and intermediates who want to get started in affiliate marketing. It explains the basics of affiliate marketing, how it works, how it differs from other forms of income, and what are the best ways for internet marketers making money through affiliate marketing. It teaches you every step along the way from what it takes to become a super affiliate, and it has proven itself as an extremely profitable income model where most of the students have made 4 figures a day with Robby affiliate marketing methods. Click the link in the description below for details. Now here is a word from Robby Blanchard.
Hey, what's up guys, Robby here, and guess what? Did you know that ClickBank is one of the best ways to generate reoccurring revenue each and every day online? It's not having a product It's not having an email list. It's not having a Shopify store. It's running ClickBank offers. And I'm living proof of it. I went from being a struggling personal trainer just a couple years ago where I couldn't even pay for my groceries to now I am the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. As you can see, let me just log in and show you. Just log into my ClickBank account right now. All right, there you go right there, guys. So you can see that I am the #1 affiliate in the world. I generate a lot of money on Facebook, all right? And I wanna show and share with you exactly how I've done that. And so here's the way it works, guys. So register for my free training right now. It doesn't cost anything, it's a free training. And in that training, I'm gonna share with you exactly how I went from being a struggling personal trainer to now being the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world, and how you can do the same with this 3-step method. So go ahead and click that link above, and I can't wait to see you on the training.